Hi Ashwita,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also good, thank you for asking. So basically, where are you from, Ashwita?
I'm from Hyderabad, ma'am.
Okay, so born and brought up everything here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so what is your highest educational qualification?
I did my BCom graduation from Kasturba Gandhi Degree College, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. So how do you know about SVC?
I know about this institute through Instagram, ma'am. Actually, my friend Manasa searched about this institute through Instagram,
Okay.
and she recently placed in a Wells Fargo company, ma'am.
Okay, so you both joined together in
Yes.
SVC. Okay, good to hear that. So there are so many institutes in the market. So why did you both choose SVC alone?
I chose SVC because many other institutes are charging a higher amount of fees, and the fees in here SVC Institute it is very reasonable, and they are also teaching accounting, research as well as investment banking. That's why.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing the genuine feedback, Ashweta. So what have you learned in 2 months of your course duration in SVC?
By this course, I learned about financial markets, financial instruments, derivatives, shares, bonds, OTC market, stock exchange, and also sir teached us live trading sessions. By that, I also get to know about the trading actually.
Okay, so you're trading now.
Yeah, actually, sir told to not trade. Sir told to just invest in long investments.
Yeah, that is actually correct. And good to hear that, Ashwita. So, can you share your interview experience with us?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there were three rounds of interview. In the first round, they majorly focused on the communication skills, and in next two technical rounds, they majorly focused on the financial markets and instruments and trade life cycle, equity, risk of fixed income,
Mm.
etc.
Okay. So, in SVC, you would have participated in other activities also, right?
Yes,
Like,
yes.
how did it help you in the interview?
They conducted jam sessions and group discussion sessions, and also they conducted the HR sessions. By the sessions, I improved my communication skills, and I also gained knowledge to how to introduce myself in the interviews, and I get to know about the interview process actually.
Okay. So, what is the package they have offered you, by the way?
5 LPM.
Oh, wow. That is really great, Ashwita. With BCom grad, being a BCom grad, you got 5 LPA. Congratulations, really on it.
Thank you. Yeah. Actually, it is only because of Srinath's guidance and support, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And what is the suggestion you would like to give to the BCom, BBA, MBA grads?
Yes, ma'am. By this course, they can gain knowledge about investment banking, which will be not there in the BCom and BBA. By that, they can crack the jobs about in the role of investment banking.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ashweta, for your time. Congratulations again and all the very best for your future.
Thank you.